Hi, I'm Jason Stahl, and I'm here today to talk to you about the Equalizer Terminator automatic windshield repair system and the Equalizer Raptor cord or wire auto glass removal device. Terminator provides freedom, allowing technicians to walk away and focus on other business while the repair is in process. Terminator will automatically alternate between pressure and vacuum cycles according to the repair selected. There is minimal training required, it is convenient for business owners and CSRs, and it automatically alternates between pressure and vacuum cycles for better results, and it's virtually hands-off. The kit contains the Terminator unit, hose, UV curing light, bridge and injector assembly, and battery. The Equalizer Raptor is a cord or wire auto glass removal device that can reduce cycle time, reduce sublets, keep labor in the shop, and increase labor hours. The Raptor is designed from the ground up to dramatically improve the power of the vacuum cup with the integration of Equalizer's Air Force constant vacuum technology. Air Force has been specifically developed by Equalizer to keep constant vacuum on the glass so that the Raptor stays where you place it and it resists sliding better than any product of its kind. These are professional tools for glass professionals, and with that in mind, Equalizer Auto Glass Tools has introduced new auto glass gear emblazoned with the slogan, "No Hacks, Clean Sets," or NHCS. The variety of gear embraces all styles that all individuals who are affiliated with auto glass will be proud to wear or display to promote their belief in quality workmanship for the auto glass industry. This mantra is about celebrating auto glass professionals and their commitment to perform safe removals and clean sets on every vehicle they work on. The Auto Glass Academy, also referred to as AGA, sponsored through Equalizer, is dedicated to increasing support for the industry and awareness of certified training and educating consumers on why a clean set is crucial. AGA teaches new techs how proper use of tools like the Raptor and the Terminator will deliver a clean set on every job. For more information on these tools or gear, visit equalizer.com and autoglassacademy.com to learn more about classes. I'm Jason Stahl. Thanks for watching.